Hey guys, I know you can't really see my face, but today I'm gonna be roasting Little Tay. Little Tay, you know what you're doing. You be flexing too much. That's why people hate you. You look like a piece of black coal because you dyed your hair to a different color in the other videos. Why you gotta hate people why can't you just see the truth? You flex too much. And you need to get it exposed. You will hate everyone, but everybody hates you because you flex too much. You need to see the truth. You can't flex that much because everybody gonna hate you. That's why they hate you. And Fiji water $2. That ain't really drinking away my college tuition, thank you. I'm 11 now. I'm 2 years older than you. So step up to the plate and let's see what I pick to do. You don't know me. If you roast me, I'm gonna roast your ass right back. I'm gonna roast your butt right back. You don't even know about me. You don't know my channel. You getting money because you say you got money. You probably still broke.